I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your personal pictures, your image, to AI animations, cartoons that you can also make them to talk, to dance, to move, to do whatever you want to do. You want them to do in this very video. If you want to learn how to do that, please stick with me to the end. Without wasting much of our time, let me head on to my phone so that I will show you how I'm going to be doing it. So the first thing we are going to be doing first is we are going to be going to ChatGPT. Mind you, you can either use ChatGPT, you can use Grok, you can use Google Gemini, you can use any AI of your choice. And me personally, I prefer to use ChatGPT, Google Gemini, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using ChatGPT. So when you open ChatGPT, you upload your image, the image you want to convert to the AI, and I'm going to be converting this picture to a baby picture. Now, here is what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do for me. Please see, I did not really do much here. I just simply told ChatGPT exactly what I want it to do. Now let's click on generate. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to be generating for us in this very video. You can see the image ChatGPT generated for me. You can see it's a very simple process. Now all I have to do is save this image to my phone gallery. I'm going to download it. So I'm already downloading it. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to be going to our next tool, which we will use to convert this baby picture. This picture you are seeing now, we will make this baby to talk. Baby is going to say something, or if we want to make it to dance. But for this video, all I'll be doing is to make this baby talk. In the next video, we'll make this particular baby to dance. Let's head on to lip sync. Now let us head on to lip sync, where we'll make this baby to talk. Please, if you are not following, please follow me, like this video and share this video to your friends. Comment, tell us what you want us to do for you in the next video. Now this is my lip sync. If you've not signed in, all you have to do is sign in, register. I'm just going to sign in with my Google, and I've logged in like that. And all the tools I am using are free. They are not paid tools, they are all for free. So this is lip sync, and I'm just going to click on the talking photo here. Now let me click on it. It's going to load. After you scroll up a bit, so you see this page that says support format, upload your photo. That's what we are going to be clicking on right now. Now that particular image that I generated using ChatGPT, I'm going to upload it now. Then I will tell the image what I want it to say. So let me upload the image. Please, if you've not been following me, please follow this channel, subscribe, like my videos, and drop a comment. You can also tell us what you want us to do for you in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Now this image has loaded. You can see the baby picture. I'm going to select talking photo 4.0 recommended. This one consumes more credit, but since it's just talking photo I'm doing, you can use 2 or 3. The reason is they all generate the same, and using a smaller one helps you to conserve your credit, so that if you want to make a very long videos, you can use the credit wisely. So I'm just going to use 3 for this video. So now you put your text, what you want the image to say, you type it here, or if you already have a recorded audio that you want the image to say, you can just upload it here. It is there. See, you can upload your recorded video here, or if you want to record what you want the image to say, you can see the last one there that says record. Then if you want to type, you can see here, you can just type. So this is how you easily do it. Now I'm going to type in what I want the baby to say. Hi, my name is Coach Nena. Now you can see that I have typed in what I want this baby to say. Let's click on generate. You can see in total is going to be consuming 30 credits. You can see it here. It's going to be consuming 30 credits, which is not really much. So let me click on generate. I think I have up to 30 credits. Yes, I have up to 30 credits. So if you don't want, like, this video is currently is generating it generated on a trustworthy man, trust trust what man. But if you want your baby to talk in a girlish tone, all you have to do is click this particular trust word man, just click on it. You change the voice. There are many voices here that you can change. You can change any voice you want. So once I select any voice and I click on confirm, that's it, and I click on generate, it will regenerate this particular video. Now let's just go and see what it has created. Let's go to my creations. Let's watch the video I just created now. So this is how easy you can make your image. You can convert your image to aibaby animations, 3D Pixar-style, and also make them to talk. If you want to make them to dance, subscribe to my channel, because in my next video I'll be teaching you how you can create dancing AI videos without subscription. You don't need to pay for all the services. All you have to do is have a phone, have an internet connection. Thank you guys. Please remember to like. Also drop a comment what you think about this video.
Hi, my name is Coach Mena. Please subscribe on my channel, like and comment, turn on notifications bell. Thank you.
Can see how the video is simple and seamless. No stress, nothing.